In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficial, myself Parmesh Khan, you're watching CGPA Genius. First of all, welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for watching this video. Actually, I have started English learning course for you. For what purpose? Actually, the main purpose of this course is to learn English and speak English. For speaking English, it is necessary to learn, okay? So we will learn, then we will able to talk in English, okay? So let's start the video. In this video, we are going to discuss about prepositions, okay? The types of prepositions and the usage, or we can say uses of prepositions, okay? So what is a preposition? Pre mean before and position mean placement, okay? Pre mean before and position mean placement. So what is a preposition? Preposition we can define as preposition is a word that we put before a noun or a pronoun, or we can say that preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun, and preposition indicates location, okay? So types. Now let's see the types of prepositions, and there are different kinds of preposition. So simple or single preposition. Simple or single preposition consists of only one word. For example, in, at, to, for, of, on, etc. Double prepositions actually consist of more than one word. Okay. For example, into, up to, within, etc. Compound prepositions consist of two or more than two words. Okay. For example, in front of, from, across, according to, etc. Disgust preposition, actually it is the shortest form of a preposition. We can say on can be changed into simply a, and by can be changed into simply b, of can be changed simply in o, okay? For example, 5 o'clock. O actually complete preposition is of, but o is the shortest form of. Here o is a preposition, okay? Phrasal, for example, by means of owing to phrasal and compound prepositions are same, because phrasal also mean that it consists of group of words, okay? Participle preposition, for example, regarding, following, considering, you can see that in the end here is ing, okay? Following, considering, concerning, etc. Detached mean detached prepositions, we can detach them, okay? So detached prepositions are situated at the end of the sentence. For example, whom are you looking for? Here for is a preposition, okay? In some cases we can detach, okay? In this sentence it is necessary, okay? Looking for, where are you going? So we know that for the verb go we always use to, go to, going to, but I say where are you going to? No, there is no need. So I will detach. I will only say where are you going. I will not say where are you going to, okay? Appropriate prepositions. Some adjectives, verbs, nouns are allowed by particular prepositions. These prepositions do not follow any rule. For example, afraid of, simply afraid of, used as a preposition, okay? Afraid is a verb. This book belongs to me. Belongs to is a preposition, used as a preposition, and book is a noun, okay? He is fond of music. Fond is a adjective, and fond of it used as a preposition. Okay, so let's see usage of in. Okay, usage of in used, I say, for main parts of the day. Main parts of the day, I say in the morning, or I can say in the afternoon, in the evening. Okay, evening, not night. Evening, not night, because we use at for night. At night. Okay, so in used in main parts of the day. Main parts of the day are morning, afternoon, and evening. Okay, we always use in the morning. I say in the morning I will do this. In the morning I will do this. In the morning I will do. In evening I can do this. So okay, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and main parts of the day for months. Years, centuries. I say in April. Okay, in April, in May, in Feb. Okay, and years in 1998, in 2000. Okay, centuries in 20th century. Okay, now let's see the use of at. At I say at midnight, at noon. Okay, at the arrival, of my time. I'm using at midnight, at noon, at the arrival, and I say for festivals like Christmas, so on. So at Christmas I will use at for this word, for this festival, Christmas. And at Ramadan. Okay, at Easter. Okay, now on usage of on for specific dates, specific dates, okay, specific dates, specific day, I say on Monday, on Monday, okay, and this is the specific day, on Monday, specific dates. At we use for clock time, clock time, okay, I say 5 o'clock, at 5 o'clock, at 5 o'clock, or at 12 p.m. okay, and on Monday, on 3rd March, okay, specific date on 3rd March, specific day, specific dates, okay, on Monday, Tuesday, on 3rd March, or we can say on the day of Christmas, at Christmas, at Christmas, here on the day of Christmas, here is a specific day actually, on the day of Christmas, okay, on the occasion, on the occasion, on the occasion, on this occasion, okay, on this occasion, okay, so usage of at, on. So now let's see some examples, some more examples. This is a glass. This is a glass. Empty glass. Here is a empty glass. I say pour water into the glass. I use the preposition into, pour water into the glass. So water is here, so I say water is in the glass, in the glass. So I use the preposition in, okay. This is table actually. Book is here. Book. This is a book. So I say a book is lying on the table. On the table. If book is here, I will say book is below the table. Below the table. I will use the preposition below. Here book is lying on the table. On the table. If book is here, I will say book is beside the table. Beside the table. Okay. Now let's see the prepositional phrasism. Okay. In. You can note down. Okay. In time, in demand, in of focus, in answer to, in depth, in decline, in fact, in danger, in detail. Okay. On watch, on schedule, on a trip, on the road, on a diet, on a journey, on a pension, on oath, on a large scale. at a high speed, at risk, at a discount, at a distance, at the double, at sight, at the end, at a loss, at a guess. By chance, by land, by birth, by check, by air, by luck, by sea, by accident, by definition. Out of fashion, out of print, out of step, out of breath, out of control. Oh no. Out of date, out of ideas, out of door, out of doors. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.